Hi, for this video what I want to do is show you how to solve an exponential equation where you can rewrite both sides to have the same base. In this case, for this particular example, I cannot take just 9 and try to rewrite it so that 27 is base 9, because 9 times 9 gives me 81, so I know that I can't keep this side as 9. So what I have to do is I have to figure out how can I rewrite both 9 and 27 so that they have the same base. And so what you have to do with this one is realize that 9 can be rewritten as 3 squared. And then I still have to have the negative x plus 15 power on this side. For the second one, what we would have to do is 27 is really 3 to the third power. And so we would rewrite this as 3 to the third and 3 squared so that we have 9 and 27. Now what we would do is, because they have the same base, because this number right here is the same, I can take the exponents and set them equal to each other. The only way that this can be an equivalent expression is if the exponents of both sides are equal to each other. Now remember, this only works if you can rewrite it to have the same base. If I broke this down or I can't break it down, then I have to use logarithms, which I will address in another example. So for this one, what we're going to do is we're going to take the two exponents and set them equally to each other. So I have 2 times negative x plus 15 equals 3x. And I could have gone ahead and distributed there. I'm just showing out all the steps. So now what I would do is distribute the 2 in. So I have negative 2x plus 30 equals 3x. And now what we want to do is solve this equation. So we would add 2x to both sides. And the reason I moved the 2x is just because it makes it easier and I don't have to deal with negatives. So I would have 30 equals 5x. And then if I simplify and divide both sides by 5, we can see that x equals 6. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it back into this one here, because I don't have a calculator accessible to show you with a calculator. You can always plug this into a calculator and make sure that both of them give you the same thing. Like I could do 9 to the negative 6 plus 15. This is going to give you a very large number, so that's why I'm not going to plug it in. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and plug it into here. So I have 2 times negative 6 plus 15. And I want to see, does that equal the same exponent over here? Okay, so this gives me 3 to the 18th power. Like I said, this is a very large number, so you can't do this without a calculator. Negative 6 plus 15 would give me 9. And so I would have 2 times 9, and we can see that 2 times 9 does give us 18, so we know that these are equivalent expressions. As always, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. If there are additional topics you need me to cover, please let me know that as well. Make sure to check out all of my other video content, and if you get a chance, please subscribe.